The Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Z series in India called iQOO Z9x. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9x 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the iQOO Z9x 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can record up to 4K videos. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.05 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.7 by 76 by 7.99mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9x 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from May 21st, in Tornado Green and Storm Gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z9x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.